Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the Mfc120.dll error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. This DLL file is the Microsoft Foundation class library for Visual Studio 2013. It provides a C++ object-oriented framework for creating desktop applications with standard Windows menus, buttons, and user interface elements. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mfc120 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Manual intervention with the Mfc120.dll is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes the Mfc120 documentation. If this fix repaired the Microsoft Visual C++ dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.